Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of JustFrugalMe.com. Are you interested in saving money on the things that you already do? Why not get your money back on that? Before we get started today, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with those who you believe that would benefit from this content. There's an app out there called Ibotta. With Ibotta, you save money. Today, Tina is going to tell us a little bit about Ibotta and why she likes Ibotta. Hi, Tina.
Hey, how you doing today?
I'm all right. So what's going on with Ibotta? Like, what is it really all about?
Ibotta is an app. I mean, if you look back in the day where you used to coupon clip and you will always forget what you did with them or anything like that. When you go in the store, you got to try to remember what you were getting, what store to take it to, and how many you can get, all that. Ibotta, you can hook it to your Amazon account, your Food Line, whatever grocery store you go to, Chipotle, almost any and everywhere you shop. They have some kind of discount out there.
So it's convenient.
Very. On Amazon, after the first time you hook it to your account, anytime you go in there, if it's something that they're giving a discount back on, you get it.
Oh, wow.
So far, I have gotten back over $100.
Over $100.
Over $100.
Just by
buying everyday necessities.
Wow.
Because, like, if you go into, let's say, Walmart, you need diapers.
Yes.
And they're already on sale for $8.99. You might turn around and get a coupon for $2. So you pay original price $9.99, the dollar off. You get that plus another $2 off of it, and it comes back in the app where you can put it into PayPal. You can do gift cards.
Oh, wow. So it's literally cash back that you can
back.
put it right back into your banking account.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
They also have bonuses. I just got this one bonus for $10. All I had to do when I went to Food Line is actually buy some of their, like, buy one, get one free, buy two, get whatever half off. And then you get $10 for nothing. Even though you're buying the specials already, you get an extra $10.
Oh, wow. So it's like savings on top of savings.
Savings on top
So
of
what
savings.
type of risk is involved that is associated with Ibotta?
There's no risk.
No risk at all. Do you have to link up your card? Or?
You link up your like Food Line card, your Harris Teeter card, your Publix card, and you can see the list of stuff that you got to pick out that you actually want to do.
Now, what is this about, even with Ibotta, if they don't have a rewards program, or even if they do and you just haven't quite yet linked your cards, that you can take pictures of your receipt?
You take a picture of the whole receipt, and at the bottom, usually you have a barcode, and the barcode will actually read your receipt, and it'll pull items that they read and tell you, hey, we got a discount on this. Did you get it? And then you take a picture of that barcode, and then so you'll get that discount back.
Oh, wow. So we're talking about innovation here. That I don't have to enter in like, oh, okay, I buy applesauce. I don't have to do that.
No.
I just take a picture of my receipt and booyah, I get the money right back.
It's a faster coupon clipping.
Now you can get like 3% back at Home Depot, 4% back at Lowe's, and Applebee's, and Olive Garden. So hold on. So you're telling me this? If I go to the dollar store and I get $1.50 back, that I just made 50 cents off of buying something that I already needed.
Yes.
So they give me the money back for that product and also in a reward for buying that product.
Yeah. You get bonuses for inviting people to join Ibotta. They get $10, you get $10.
Did y'all hear that? You get $10 for joining Ibotta. Look at the description box below. I'm going to leave a code for you. You can get your mom, your dad, your uncles, your family, your friends, the person that you just met on the street, or the person that's in the grocery store. And that's what you call savings.
And then you actually linked up as a team. You can actually make it kind of fun and say, oh, well, I saved more than you this month.
We are in an economy now where savings is everything. Why not save the money? Put that money back into your pocket and And that way you can build your savings, your emergency fund, or take a vacation. There is money out there, and that's what I'm hearing from you today. There's money out there, right?
Oh yeah.
Anything that you want to share with the Just Frugal Me community today about Ibotta? Just your final words on that.
My final words would be download Ibotta, try it out, and yeah, I know sometimes it might come through 2 cent, 3 cent, but if you keep with it, you actually make more than you ever imagined.
And also, whenever you go to the store with what you have in mind, you save more money
Yes.
because you are not impulsive spending. Thank you so much for joining today with Miss Tina McCoy and talking about Ibotta. If you're interested in Ibotta, I encourage you to click the link in the description box for more information. And remember, share this video with those who you believe that will benefit from this content. And subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button right here or there or anywhere in the corner. And also like this video. And remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Have a great day.
I want that clip right there.